Hello, our dear students. Today we will make a revision about Lesson 1, Levers. What is lever? Lever is a rigid bar, straight or curved, rotates around fixed point called fulcrum or O, and is affected by effort force and resistance force. Or we can say that lever is a simple machine that helps us to do our tasks. So what is the structure of the lever? Lever has fulcrum, and affected by effort force and resistance force. What is fulcrum? Fulcrum is a fixed point where the rigid bar rotates around. And to know what's the meaning of effort force and resistance force, we will speak about this example. For example, if I want to lift a rock, can I lift a rock by my hand? Of course not. So I need a machine to increase my force and help me to lift this rock. This machine is called lever. Why? Because this lever helps me to move this rock or to lift this rock. My hand and my force is called effort force, but the rock is called resistance force. So, effort force is the force that done by a person. Why? To balance the resistance force. And what is the resistance force? It's the force that resulted from the weight of the body that I wanted to move. So the rock has a weight, and the force that resulted from this weight is called resistance force. And effort force and resistance force affects this rigid bar, which rotates around fulcrum. Again, lever is a rigid bar, straight or curved, rotate around fixed point is called fulcrum or O, and affected by effort force and resistance force. So we have three types of levers: first class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. Depends on the position of F and O and R. The first type is first class lever. First class levers are levers that have fulcrum between effort force and resistance force. So the first type, F here, R is here, and fulcrum O in the middle. So the first class lever, they are called first class lever because fulcrum is in the middle between effort force and resistance force. The second type is called second class lever. The second class lever are in the middle, and the first class lever O, fulcrum O in the middle, and the second class lever are in the middle between effort force and fulcrum. The third class is third class lever. Third class lever is called third class lever because F is between fulcrum and effort force. So the first class lever O in the middle, the second class lever R in the middle, the third class lever F in the middle. So Types of levers depends on the position of F and R and O. The first class lever we can say for. The second class lever we can say fro. The third class lever we can say over, to make it easy. So, lever has three types. First class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. For example, we have seesaw. This is seesaw. Seesaw is what? Lever. Where is the fulcrum? In the middle. And then effort force, and then resistance force. Why I call seesaw as first class lever? Because fulcrum is between resistance force and effort force. So fulcrum is in the middle between resistance force and effort force. The second example is nutcracker. Nutcracker here, effort force and fulcrum, but where is R? R in the middle. So it's called what? Second class lever. Here's my hand. My hand is what? Effort force. And the nut which I want to break is resistance force. And here's the fulcrum. And now, manual broom. Where is the fulcrum? Where is the effort force? And then the resistance force. Where is the fulcrum and the resistance force? Effort force is in the middle. Effort force is in the middle. So it's called what? Third class lever. So we have three types of levers. Depends on the position of effort force and fulcrum and resistance force. Seesaw is first class lever because fulcrum is in the middle, and nutcracker is second class lever because resistance force in the middle, and third class lever manual broom because F or effort force is in the middle. So first class lever, they are levers that have O between F and R. For examples, seesaw, pillars, pincers, hammer crow, crowbar, paddle, water pump, scissors, nail clippers. Second class lever, it's a lever that have R between F and O. F, R, O, fro. In the middle what? R. What is the midpoint? R. What is the midpoint in the first class lever? O, fulcrum. What is the midpoint in the second class lever? R, resistance. What is the midpoint in the third class lever? F, effort force. Example, tweezers, hockey pad, manual broom, fishing tool, coal or ice or sweet holder. Finally, lever is very important machine. And what is the importance of levers? 1. Increasing force. For example, crowbar. How? If I want to lift a rock from place to another, I can't lift it by my hand. So I need a lever. I need something that increase my force to move this rock. So I use what? Crowbar. So crowbar is a lever because it increases my force. Second, increasing speed. If I want to move a ball from this place to far place, I use hockey pad. So hockey pad is a lever. Why it's a lever? Because it helps me to move this ball to very far place. So it increases the speed of the ball. 3. Increasing distance. If I want to move some paper from this place to there, I will use manual broom. So manual broom is what? It's a lever because it increases the distance and helps me to do my task. 4. Moving force from one place to another, like manual broom. 5. Accuracy in performance. How? If I want to pick up very small things like doctors always need to pick up small things, so they want to use tweezer. Tweezer is a lever. Why? Because it helps the doctor to pick up very small things, so it gives us accuracy in performance. So lever is very important, you see. 6. Avoid dangers like coal or ice holder. Can I lift a coal by my hand? Of course not. Can I hold it by my hand? No. So I want something to help me to save and protect my hand and hold this coal. This holder is called coal holder, but I can say it's a lever. Why it's a lever? Because it helps me and avoid danger from my hand and save my hands. So finally, lever is a rigid bar that rotates around fulcrum and affected by effort force and resistance force. So scissors is a lever. And always doctors need tweezers. Why? To pick up very small objects. So I called it what? Lever. I hope you understand. Thank you for all.